how to find password and security settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password and security settings on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click this one, settings, and here you will find password and security settings. And that's how to find password and security settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.